After completing my career survey on Zalo, the results were that I was interested in education. So I researched on multiple websites and found that Emporia State University would be the best college to attend. Emporia State University is located on 1 Kellogg Circle in Emporia, Kansas, and these are the following admission requirements. You have to obtain a 21 or higher on your ACT or graduate in the top third of your class and have completed pre-college curriculum in high school. Tuition to attend Emporia State. If you're in-state, it's $8,467. If your out-state tuition is $15,172, and this is per semester. Some numbers that are important to understand is the student to professor ratio, and it's 18:1. So in a classroom of 18, it's usually 18, and then there's one professor. The enrollment size is 5,732. Emporia's mascot is a Corky Hornet. The typical graduation rate for Emporia State is 43.8%. This is a public university, meaning it is publicly funded. One thing that really got my attention was the studying abroad program that they have. They have it in multiple fields, but you could study in another country and still pay the same tuition. Some other majors that are offered at Emporia State are business, management, and marketing. I would rate this university 8 out of 10. I chose Emporia State, and the reason I'm rating it 8 out of 10 is because the university has multiple college majors that are offered, and the study abroad program is a great opportunity to travel and be a global learner. In my opinion, the ratio rate for graduation rate could be a little bit higher. After doing some investigation, other universities in Kansas have a little higher graduation rate. I now know more information of colleges and what are the requirements to attend, and also what information they have or why I should attend that college. Thank you. If you have any questions, please submit them on the Google document and I will reply to you.